YouTube, hello subscribers, thank you for tuning in. The topic that I would like to tackle today is snoring, with causes and treatment. We all know how unpleasant snoring is for our partner, who has to adapt to a noisy environment to sleep, and who actually needs to cover the ears in order to get some sleep. What people know less is how damageable for the health is snoring, and it's an indication of poor sleep quality, an alarming sign that something is wrong in the body. The consequences of having a very poor sleep quality are many, some more obvious than the others. For instance, we may remark daytime sleepiness, morning headaches, and frequent waking up during the night. But there are some other hidden consequences of snoring. An increased risk of hypertension, nervousness in general, weight gain, memory problems, the risk of developing sleep apnea, but also non-negligible relationship problems, which trigger additional hypertension, nervousness, sickness, and dissatisfaction in general. Left untreated, snoring can degenerate into sleep apnea and generally decrease life quality and life expectancy. Sleep apnea is a very dangerous illness for which people need help to breathe using a cpap mask. Besides a very poor life quality, sleep apnea can also cause death. But we are not yet there. We are just snoring. And for snoring, solutions exist. And they range from easy but temporary till complex but permanent. Some solutions are easy to implement, while others are complex and take time. We are going to present them here, starting with the simplest to be put into practice till the complex ones. The good news is that permanent solutions exist. Solutions which don't necessarily require a big budget, just a few minutes of your time every day, some simple exercises that are guaranteed to work. You take absolutely no risk with the solution that I propose you here. I'm going to talk about it at the end of this video, so stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I have put a lot of time and energy in creating it, hoping that it will help someone. Therefore, help me to help others. Only by doing good, the good will come back to us. But that's a topic for another time. Today we are discussing snoring. The cause of snoring is very important because the remedy, so the solution, is always function of the cause. Some things can be easier repaired than others. For instance, you can learn to sleep on lateral position, so laying on your side, and avoid sleeping on your back, the so-called supine position. Have in mind that gravity pulls the tissues downward, and this makes the airway more narrow. We call that the positional therapy to treat snoring and sleep apnea. Sleepers are thought to avoid sleeping on their backs by using, for instance, positional alarms which wake you up when you are sleeping in an incorrect position, or modified night chairs to prevent you sleeping in an incorrect position, or lateral sleep pillows, which are special pillows designed to keep people's heads on one side only. But guess what? All these solutions are not very easy to put into practice. and they will disturb the sleep till you learn the correct positions aloud. The best thing that your partner can do to stop you snoring is to slowly change your position from sleeping on the back to sleeping on the lateral side. But if this move doesn't help, don't get discouraged. There are still plenty of other solutions. Next, we'll discuss some easy tricks to prevent snoring. Avoid alcohol and sedative medication during the hours preceding the bedtime. Why? Because alcohol and other sedatives cause snoring by relaxing too much the muscles that support the tissue around the airway. If you don't know yet, alcohol is considered a natural relaxant. Relaxation is good, just too much relaxation is not good. Another trick to stop snoring is to avoid stress and practice regularly relaxation sessions. Stress in general deregulates the good functioning of the body. It is correlated with increased inflammation. Yes, snoring can be caused by stress and worries. But happily, the treatment is very easy to put into practice and consists in listening, relaxing music every day for at least 30 minutes or taking a warm bath every day for at least 30 minutes before going to sleep. This will improve not only the snoring, but in general, all your other stress-related issues that you are aware or not. For more details, you may check my related videos of this channel. Snoring can be a sign of another disease. Talk to your doctor and check your levels of T3, T4 and TSH. Why? Because in hypothyroidism, the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormone. Hypothyroidism gives snoring all the time. But again, don't worry. The treatment against hypothyroidism is very easy and it will solve some other additional problems that you are aware or not. Every day you'll need to take one pill which will supplement the thyroid hormone till the required quantity for an optimal functioning of your body. With just one little pill, you'll not only solve your snoring problems but also other hypothyroid-related problems like weight gain and foggy thinking. Snoring is a sort of alarm that something in your body does not function properly, and you just need to talk to your doctor about it and take measures to correct it. If you sleep with open mouth, there are chances that you don't breathe correctly through your nose. You need to check with an ENT physician for deviated septum, which is when the nostrils don't look symmetric, nasal polyps, which are growth in the nasal passages, or chronic nasal congestion due to allergy or infection, or dry air environment, or having a deviated septum, or simply due to some medication, for instance, Tritico. Having a stuffy nose during sleep reduces the airflow through your airways and may lead to snoring. The main sign of this condition is sleeping with open mouth. Besides snoring, the chronic nasal congestion doesn't allow a proper oxygenation, and I show you in another video how you can measure it and also how to improve it. Just check my related videos. Some people use an anti-snoring chin strap to keep their mouth closed during the sleep, but this approach is not helpful and even dangerous. When people have difficulties to breathe through the nose, forcing them to keep the mouth closed in order to avoid snoring can make them suffocate, so please don't. Instead, keep paying attention to the next solutions here. Another cause for snoring is having a small jaw or having an enlarged tongue or tonsils. The treatment consists in surgery, but before surgery, you might want to try some dental devices. There are 2 cheap devices meant to increase the airflow in and out of your airway during sleep, and both of them are nasal dilators. These are called nasal strips for snoring and anti-snoring device. The nasal strips are the most comfortable and the most appreciated by snorers. Just it doesn't solve your problem. It's only a temporary solution. Like aspirin is a solution for headaches. Technology getting better and better, it brings us more comfortable nasal devices to help us breathe better during sleep. Another important cause of snoring is being overweight. Why? Because having extra tissue in the neck can lead to a smaller airway size. Weight loss improves snoring in individuals who are overweight. Unfortunately, it takes time and motivation. It's more and more difficult to be corrected with age and maybe due to other hidden diseases. The last cause of snoring that we discuss here is aging. Why snoring risk is increasing with age? Well, older age is associated with a number of sleep changes due to the fact that metabolism goes down with age. Another reason is that the tongue and the muscles that surround the airway may become weaker as we get older. Engaging in physical activities in general and also mouth and throat exercises in particular may reduce snoring caused by weak muscles. It is called myofunctional therapy. Thank you for following me till here. We are at the moment of the final good news. There are solutions, and permanent solutions, which don't require a big budget. Just a few minutes of exercises every day, and they are guaranteed to work in a short enough time interval. You don't take any risk. You are either satisfied or reimbursed during the first 2 months. The only condition is to be a subscriber of my channel. You simply need to check the link in the description below. Waking up fresh and recovered after a good night's sleep with recharged batteries is the best indicator that your health is on the right track, and your relationship or marriage as well. It's worth your time and efforts. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share this video. It may help you and other people to find the answers that you are searching for. Bye bye YouTube. Bye bye subscribers. Bye.